Hello everyone from Singapore. This is Deepak Parekh. Today we will be talking about something which is very important. I was lucky enough that I was invited to Singapore to speak, mentor, advise some of the brightest startups all across from United Kingdom, Africa, India, Singapore. And while discussing with them as a part of Singapore Agri Innovation Week, I found that there are 3 or 4 key areas where the world is looking at. One, definitely, irrespective of which country or which startup you are engaging with, everybody is upbeat about alternative proteins. Second, there is huge talk going around biotechnology. And third is robotics. And fourth, I won't say that very common, but a lot of people are also talking about artificial intelligence, precision agriculture, and database technologies around agriculture. So let's first talk about alternative proteins. Singapore want to be self-reliant by 30% by year 2030, and they see protein-based meat as a sustainable solution which can be done in Singapore itself. So you are finding a lot of startup having traction there. They are trying to raise funds, they are coming out with innovative products, and predominantly soya, peas, they have been seen as commodities which would act as input. I believe that is a huge opportunity for countries which are producing these commodities, specifically Southeast Asia, India, Indonesia, and Africa, specifically East Africa. Now, coming to the second technology being discussed around, biotechnology. So we found that predominantly these startups are focusing on either coming out with genetically edited seeds, which would be climate resilient, which needs less water, less nutrients, and can be robust depending on how the climate changes happen, whether it is heat stress, whether it is drought, or at the same time excess of water. So we are finding that the companies are predominantly working on the seed side. Second type of companies are which are coming out with solution for bionutrient and availability of nutrient, and they are coming with novel product as well as novel delivery technology, whether it is based on nanotechnology or whether it is about changing the way roots absorb some of the nutrients. So very interesting area to talk about. Going forward, I believe a lot of more investment are going to be coming in that sector. The third sector which I talked about, robotics. Here we are seeing that the Southeast Asia, the farmer age is crossing on average 50 years. And that make them less productive. And this is where, to enhance the comfort of the farmer and to ensure that labor shortage is not creating challenges for the food security, a lot of companies, they are coming with robots. They are individual robots for harvesting, sowing, and doing other farm-based activity. At the same time, also collaborative robot-based groups where they are having multiple robots which are doing different type of activities at the same time being controlled by a mother robot. Now that is also very interesting. And now coming to the finally, as I said, not too much discussed, but still being there, the technologies like precision agriculture, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. There also we are finding that a lot of companies are keen to explore how they can ensure that the precision agriculture can reduce the total input cost of the farmer. And I'm very excited to be in Singapore meeting with so many lovely founders, corporations, as well as policy makers, and have learned a lot. And I wish going forward, Singapore become the innovation hub for not just Southeast Asia, but across the globe. And with that, I would like to end this video. Thanks a lot for patient hearing, and looking forward to engage with all of you again through this small initiative. Thank